In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an item from your shopping cart on the Temu website. Let's dive into the simple steps you'll need to follow to tidy up your cart and ensure you're only purchasing what you want. To get started, you'll need to open up your web browser. For the best results and compatibility, I recommend using Chrome, but feel free to use your preferred browser. Once you've got your browser open, head over to unwanted.temu.com. It's important to log into your account if you haven't already done so. Enter your login information, making sure everything is typed in accurately to avoid any login issues. And if you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed with this process. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to focus your attention on the upper right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the cart icon. It usually resembles a small shopping bag or a cart. Clicking on this icon will transport you right to your current shopping list where you can see all the items you've added. Now, let's find that product you no longer wish to purchase. Take a moment to scroll through your list to locate the specific item you want to remove from your cart. This is an excellent opportunity to double check each item, ensuring you've picked the correct one for removal. Upon finding the unwanted product, the next element to look for is the trash bin or delete button, usually situated right next to the item. Once you click this button, there's a chance you might be prompted to confirm your decision. It depends on your browser settings or any recent updates that may have been implemented on the Temu site. It's all about making sure this is indeed what you want to do, and upon deciding, go ahead and confirm the action. After confirmation, you'll notice that your cart updates automatically. The item will have disappeared, and your list will immediately reflect this change in real time. This instant update helps clear up any possible confusion about what rests in your cart, making sure you know exactly what you've decided to keep or remove from your shopping plans. And there you have it. You've successfully removed an unwanted item from your cart. It's incredibly simple to manage your shopping list on the Temu website. Keeping your cart organized is a straightforward way to avoid unnecessary purchases and ensure a smoother checkout process. I hope this tutorial has been useful and that you now have the confidence to navigate your shopping experience more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.